Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we want to prove this particular inequality. One thing you need to understand about this inequality is that it's an inequality that has to do with AM and GM. Alright, wait, calm down. Let me explain what AM and GM means. AM simply means arithmetic mean and your GM simply means geometric mean. Alright. What do I mean by arithmetic mean? Let's say you have 2, 4 and 5 and you have to find the arithmetic mean of this. All you have to do is just 2 plus 4 plus 5 divided by how many numbers are there? Just 3. Okay, so that will give us 11 over 2. That's just AM, that is arithmetic mean. What of geometric mean? Let's say you have 2 and 4 and you have to find the geometric mean of this. Okay, the next thing you have to do is multiply these two numbers together. That's 2 times 4. Alright, how many numbers are here? 2. That means that would turn to square root, so that will be square root of what? 8. Now if you have, let's say, 4, 2 and 6, all you have to do is multiply the numbers together. 2 times 4 times 6. Then how many numbers are here? Just 3. Okay, take the cube root of this. So that is the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean. And that one we have is called HM, harmonic mean, but we're not going to that today. Alright, okay, there is one particular inequality, that is the relationship between AM and GM. AM and GM. One thing you have to understand is that we are going to get the inequality ourselves. Alright, if your AM, let's say you want to find the AM of 2 and 3. We all know that to find AM, that will be 2 plus 3 over 2. That will give us 5 over 2. Alright, that's 2.5. That will be 2.5. Alright, now you want to find the GM of 2 and 3 also. That will be square root of what? 2 times 3, and that will give us what? Square root of 6. Alright, so the square root of 6 is 2.4. 2.44. 449, approximately 2.4. Alright, now you will see that 2.4 is less than 2.5, which implies that if you test other numbers, this kind of relationship will still occur. Alright, so which implies that your GM is less than equal to what? Your AM. So it is this generality that we are going to use to prove this inequality here. Okay, so I can say that GM, which can be in form of x1 multiplied by x2 multiplied by x3 dot 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 multiplied by xn, whereby it will take the root of n, is less than equal to x1 plus x2 plus dot 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 plus xn, everything over what? Over n. Over n. Alright, okay, what is now the next thing for you to do? In this case, your x1 can be A, x2 can be B, x3 can be C, and x4 can be what? Can be D. Alright, so if you have x1, x2, x3 and x4, all you have to do is to take the fourth root of that. Don't forget, here we take the cube root because we have 3 numbers. Alright, now we are having 4 numbers. Okay, that will be your what? Your GM. If your x1 is A, your x2 is B, x3 is C, and x4 is D, if I want to find the AM, that will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, everything over what? Over 4, because we have 4 numbers. Don't forget, when we have 3 numbers here, we divided by 3, but now we are having 4 numbers, so that will be your what? Your AM. Alright, and we know that GM is less than what? AM, which implies that fourth root of x1, x2, x3, x4 will be less than x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, everything over what? Over 4. Alright, let me clean this ones so that we can have at least some space to work. Alright, so on that note, don't forget that your x1 is a, your x4 is d, and so on. So that will be 4 root of, so far x1 is a, I can replace it as a, b, c, d will be less than equal to a plus b plus c plus d over what? Over 4, which can be written as a, b, c, d raised to power 1 over 4 less than 1 over 4 in the bracket of a plus b plus c plus d. So that is the idea about the proof. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please comment. If you have any other method to solve this, please kindly comment on this particular video. I'm also learning, we are both learning. Thank you.